Hello and welcome. Today, we're reviewing the Motorola Edge 50, a sleek and stylish smartphone packed with impressive features. Focus on the thin design and back panel. The Edge 50 boasts a slim profile, a vegan leather back, and solid durability with IP68 dust and water resistance. Highlight the display. It features a 6.7-inch POLED display with 1220p resolution and a 120 Hz refresh rate. The screen supports HDR10+ and offers a peak brightness of 1600 nits. Focus on the processor and performance. Powered by the Snapdragon 7 Gen 1AE chip, the Edge 50 delivers reliable performance. It also supports some AI features, especially for the camera. Highlight the rear cameras. Speaking of cameras, the phone comes with a 50MP primary sensor with OISA 10MP3X telephoto lens and a 13MP ultra-wide lens that doubles as a macro camera. For selfies, there's a 32MP front camera, battery, and charging. The 5000 mAh battery supports 68W fast wired charging and 15W wireless charging, ensuring you stay powered throughout the day. Show the phone and accessories in the box. The Motorola Edge 50 comes in a premium box with a USB-C cable and a grippy hard case. However, no charger is included, but any PD charger will work. Phone in hand, ready to use. Overall, the Edge 50 is a great upper mid-range phone with premium features. What do you think about it? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching.